कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Usemput mentirang ba kajela ba prestun song ba pe Tnat kampo Ïing ule thu ba ula shong jingalang ba ki officer jo Tnat Fire and Emergency Services kata Inspector General of Police ba Superintendent of Police ki ba pe Tnat Fire and Emergency Services ba ni Ïasyllok halor ki Jingjia Pluh Ïing bat ya ka jing Pluh ding ka shir khai ka belaja ha ka Ïing ki singhania ha Thana Road Police Bazaar ha ka jing kran bigilap thai kubor ba prestun ula batha Tnat Fire and Emergency Services ban ai ya ka jing tep ka ba pnya halor ki jing duna bat ki jing ba kini Tnat ke kondo kham tam ha ka bai dei bat ki tiar gitar bat ka jing duna ki nong trei khanang ba sarkar kan dupla ban shi me ka rai.
I had a meeting with the fire service officials, the in charge IGP and then the SP of fire service, where we review those incidents that has happened. There few decisions we taken, where ultimately I've asked the department concerned, the fire service IG in charge, to submit all the details. What are the challenges that we have, whether in terms of maybe the instrument or in terms of infrastructure or in terms of manpower. I've instructed him to submit it to the department, to the government, and then we will see one by one to meet those requirements, whatever, until it's possible. So this is the direction I've given. That also is part of it. That's what I'm telling you. I've already told the fire service wing to submit all the details. The details means recommendation, suggestion, views to the government, and then from there, once I receive all this, I will call again a meeting. We'll discuss in the higher authority. We will discuss, and then I think we need to come up with the policy. We need to come up with full SOP, especially in the urban areas, which I personally feel it is needed very, very urgently. And once that is done, I'm very sure we will come out with the SOP and the notification accordingly. So that we will do it as early as possible. That's what I've already instructed the IGP in charge fire service to submit all those.